In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check credits in Lovable AI 2025. If you're new to Lovable, credits are the allowance that powers tasks like generating, deploying, or using certain AI features. Knowing where to find your remaining credits helps you plan your work, avoid interruptions, and decide when it's time to top up or adjust your plan. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is a quick, reliable way to get to the official Lovable site, especially if you don't have it bookmarked. Once Google loads, you're in the right place to search and go straight to Lovable without typing a full URL. In the Google search bar, type the word Lovable and press enter. You should see the official Lovable website appear near the top of the results. Click the result that takes you to the Lovable homepage. From there, proceed to your workspace or dashboard view. If your browser is already authenticated, you'll land on the dashboard right away. Otherwise, follow your usual path to reach the main app interface. Once you're in Lovable, direct your attention to the lower left area of the screen. This is the vertical sidebar where navigation and account information typically live. On a standard desktop layout, you'll see icons and labels stacked vertically. If your window is small or you're on a compact display, the sidebar may collapse to icons only, hover over it, or expand it to reveal labels. This is the spot that summarizes your account context and usage. Within that lower left panel, look for the Credits section. It usually appears with a label like Credits, sometimes alongside a number or a simple usage indicator. Here you can see your remaining credits at a glance. Depending on your plan, you might see a total available number, how many you've used, and how many are left in the current billing cycle. If you've just performed a task that consumes credits and the number hasn't updated, refresh the page to make sure you're seeing the latest count. On smaller screens, you may need to expand the sidebar or open the account menu to reveal the credits line. That's it. Your remaining credits are shown right in the lower left panel. Keep an eye on this area as you work, especially before starting resource-intensive tasks. If you don't see the credits line, ensure you're on the dashboard view and the sidebar is expanded. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly where to check credits in Lovable AI 2025.